Welcome to this 4-bedroom house for sale in Meyersdal Nature Estate, Alberton, Gauteng, South Africa for R8,500,000. The jewel of Meyersdal Nature Estate. Located on the very edge of the much sought-after greenbelt section of the estate, this magnificent home shares the oasis of tranquility and harmony that nature has to offer, on its doorstep. A beautiful solid wood door invites you into the impressive double-volume entrance, where the sweeping curved stairwell takes you into the heart of the home, that being the dream kitchen. It boasts multiple ovens, well-fitted appliances including a coffee machine, an alfresco eating area, a concealed scullery laundry area, leading to a private courtyard as well as a walk-in pantry. The open-plan living room, the dining room as well as the bar room all flow onto the covered patio which has frameless stacking doors and a built-in braai. It is large enough to accommodate a huge dining table as well as a large lounge suite. The rimmed flow pool which is surrounded by a fabulous wooden deck provides an amazing platform to view the evening sunsets. The rest of the accommodation on offer is just as impressive, with all the bedrooms enjoying their own ensuite bathrooms. The main bedroom suite includes a well-fitted dressing room which flows into the amazing bathroom, a pajama lounge, a gym room, a 13-seater home theater, a handsome glass-enclosed wine cellar, an indoor atrium and many other striking features will impress any discerning buyer. The property is also wired throughout to accommodate a home automation system and surround sound. For more information on this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact us.